Hi guys, from Cameron's Transport Channel. Welcome to another video. Today I am on the XE, which is 1493. I'll show you why. You can always tell what 1493 is. I need to get my glasses on, kids. But look. Purple! Like purple blue LEDs, and it's like they're working really well because you know what? It's nearly dark. I know you're thinking, it's time little kids should open your pencil. I do not give a hell. It isn't even my bedtime, you're just horrified when you're 8. Do you coffee? It's my bedtime. No, it's not near that. Where's the list supposed to be at? Oh yeah, just to let you guys know. This is on the 1758. Exit into a blind. Change to the X7, but it is running a little bit late. 7 minutes. At first I was thinking it was 7612 because home from school today I got 7612 and I had more or less the same delay, 10 minutes, because at first this was 11 minutes and 7612. 10-11 minutes late. If that comes in on the exit, I will be sure to give you guys a shot and I'm getting a photo of it. More purple. I'm going to move under some of the purple LED lights soon. Yeah, I'm going to attempt it. Right. Let's just stop here. It's not real. Contactless again. Oh, right, yeah. Branded. This is what it is like to be on the Pulsar at night time. Let's show you if you are watching this branding, yeah, because I know we are really into the lights. Because you know this is more really well. They are more purple. I think this is really uncomfortable for me, so I'm going to the front. Oh no, I'll keep looking at the seat. Why not? Whoa! To prove it that it is totally not bedtime, don't look at me now. We're getting some really good immense hoover. Getting really good hoover from this bus, yeah. Indeed, feel like we are getting good. This is lush lighting, kids. I always like really wanted to go on one of these when it was really dark. They're not just like a little dark, but like really dark. Every time I go on the exit at night time, it's like alright, Gemini. Like all the time, they're like Gemini, and I'm like, ugh. Trying, but it's really dark. So it still counts, you know? Shiny balls. I also thought this was another single deck that was on this bus today. There's also views what you see in town. There is the door. Contactless. Right, yeah. Right, guys. Do what I need to do here. Take a screenshot if you travel by bus. and you're going to travel on Boxing Day, because these are the only full timetables will be available online and at Haymarket, but these are the buses running on Boxing Day. So the Sapphire 43, the 52, the Max 308, the Max X10 and X11, the Max X16, and the Sapphire X21, X22. We travel on a Max bus. You get free Wi-Fi. I don't know if you can see the free Wi-Fi, but we're like rowing it. I'm going to light nights. I'll always go on a stop night. I'm going to brew like 6 at night. What the hell happened? I never get one of these. I know it's really sad to think for us. All I ever wanted. Like a right pulsar when it was really dark. The minute like they really operate using R6s and mainly not the X8. Since I live by the Albion Bridge, like to get the X8 or the 2, and they've never been one of these in the 2 forever. So I know it's really sad. I wonder if we're ever going to see 7612. I wonder what changed to. Which Brandon, if you are watching this again, I was trying to ring it to see if it changed to anything. I had to tell you some news for we're campaigning. But I think your phone's dead. You'll find all the information on this. Right, this vibration isn't as nearly as bad as 1505 code because it's something that has a really low vibration. So like, just to clarify the other thing. I don't want 5 video, 5 video, it's 9. I forgot to do a video. Isn't that typical? Yes, it is. Video because I kind of forgot. Oh, there is a Max 308 guys. What one is that? Oh, 7485 here. We've got quite a lot. 7808 or 7 I think. 1773. And then what's that? 6106. Oh, thank you. Right there's the bus. Contact. And there, ooh, the SC ways bus. Oh, that's the back of it. It's quite rare. It's going to the depot now, though. Blythe depot. That would be. Isn't that right? So that's now coming out of service. Because it was too late for it getting serviced, and I managed to get straight up the SC wheels. But anyway, there is, I think that might be 2821 because that came to the admin bridge as well. So, yeah, looks, yeah, 2821 guys. Right, and there we've just managed to get 7485 departing on the X10. Whoa, isn't that lucky? Why? And that's 616. Well, 6 depart on 319. Currently empty. That's 2821 sitting here. What's that changing to? Is that changing to the X8? 7, I do not know. Bye guys, see you all in the next one. Goodbye.